your boy Bablavel here bafethu sila station 45 yeah. Yazi ukuthi vele singani machita sazobuza abantu lana imibuzo engatheni machita. Azini, ngone singakhuluma kakhulu sambe sibafuna labantu laba sambeni bafethu. Yeah, bafethu still your boy Bablavel here. Azi ngiyayibuza isikuphi. Sisase Clevin 45 bafethu. Ngihleli nabo my sister lana. Ngifuna babuza nje umbuzo engatheni bafethu. Okay, my shabo mangibosisi yeah bese ngcono sibosisi. Uma ingane kanje like ifila ngathi isikolo samhlula. Ifuna usiyeka. Ngingathini kuyona?
Mina ngamtshela ukuthi school like education is key to life and key to success. Just continue learning and just do the rest, you know, just focus on your books, try to do better for your family and just never give up. God is always there for you, your family is, and people love you. Just continue studying, guys.
Bafethu ngizwile ke bafethu continue studying. Education is the key to success bafethu. Azini ngiyabonga bafethu ngathi vele sefile basho yonke into engizoyisho vele yabo. Ngiyabonga. Yeah bafethu so for Bablavel sala station 45 bafethu ngalama stadla libhola bafethu umfuke go Ronaldo CR bafethu sibangicela nje igama lesi
Super Gauteng FC.
Yeah bafethu angilane Super Gauteng FC bafethu yeah bafethu anenkeleni ke manje njengoba ndidlala ibhola ngifuna ukufana nobani ngifuna nempilo njengoba ndidlala ibhola
Ufana nje ukuhila Mafokeng.
Really ukhwile Mfokeng. Azini bafethu anini lona umfaka icomment really bukhile Mfokeng bafethu yabona ayibona le video abone ukuthi into ayifuna ukufana nayo in the future nazo sifuna ukudlala ibhola zifane nayo yazini bafethu azideni ngono ninganginiki advice ngono nginike nini bafethu yabona ebholeni ningalilathi themba nhlezi nidlala ibhola bafethu yabona in the future ngizofana nayo lo Mfokeng bafethu yeah ajango bafethu. Yeah bafethu so boy Bablavel here ngisakhona namanje la bafethu azini ngiphethe bani la bafethu yazikhambani ndandiphethe uBrush Planet ayithola Planet the Chimene indoda engahambi one indoda ehamba nabangabona ayithola hey Chimene hey awungitshele ke silani sami uyatholakala enkundleni zokuxhumana like TikTok no Facebook kanje
ngizenzi lezo Brian mina ngivanga i1 yabo one man show street lezo ama TikTok nezabantwana.
Alright ngiyakuzwa ma ungitshele thini mfethu umuntu mfethu like ofuna ukuchiva isikolo like mfethu obona ngathi isikolo sambambezela ngathini kuyena
Brian kayazi khambani isikolo mfethu asina future yeka lento
ngiyakuzwa Chimene boy isikolo asina future
mfethu isikolo mfethu nanguzuma mfethu yayibamba nanguzuma bafethu ningajucheki isikolo bafethu isikolo akusina next nanguzuma la president. It's who you know ntana yami ayibamba. It's not about school but it's who you know yayithola.
Alright ma wena uthi isikolo nje ekhaya nje asiyeke nje isikolo.
Isikolo ekhaya yabo nami lokuthi maye ngesikela nginqe abazali yabo. Isokuya ngama.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa mina ngiyakuzwa azini hayi ngicwele. Yeah bafethu still your boy Bablavel uzongenzani ungekizolo bafethu yeah I'm PIG. Yeah bafethu ngino PIG la bafethu yeah awungitshele ke PIG mfethu ungamnika i-advice ethini umuntu mfethu like ofuna ucommunity society mfethu yabo
yeah ngamnika i-advice ukuthi Brian yazi emhlabeni Brian mfethu ungayenzi into wrong ngoba wazi ukuthi umhlaba ukuphatheleni ayithola uthiyama yeah sho ukuthi manje Brian ungayenzi into okuthini ezolimaza wena end of the day ngoba awazi ukuthi emhlabeni Brian yini into enkulu esimele Brian ayithola into ezinjalo yayibona
yeah uyasho uBelchi bafethu ukuthi angashayi ibulala bafethu sakuningi sabona sakuphilela bafethu azini Belchi ngiyabonga sino sami yeah dankwe yeah bafethu still your boy Bablavel here bafethu ngabobhuti ababili la ngicela zamagama
yeah Mthembo Malek Logan Carol Thembo Logan Malupia.
Alright nafethu jamini ngicela bafethu ningilona like khona umuntu olona ofuna community society ngoba abantu akangena like bamhlukumeza so like ngingathini kumuntu onjalo
like I would say like there is a lot to look for
you know, like regardless of like how people are thinking of you or something, you see. Yeah, like as a person, like you must learn to yeah.
Yeah. Now all I can say is that the life is yours. Don't gamble with your life because people are not treating you well. This thing is about focusing on yourself. If you can catch yourself, yeah, and focus on your goals, your aspirations, and see the vision that you want for your life, you'll see that you have a lot to live for. That everybody else doesn't matter, actually. And it's like simple. Don't kill yourself, don't harm yourself. You understand? We appreciate people. You don't need to die in order to show that you're in pain. You can live and still be happy again. You understand?
Yeah, bafethu sesizwile sonke bafethu. Yabona nje kusakuningi sikuphela emhlabeni kuyadingeka ukuthi nje siyabo siqine. Singayi ngabani ngoba phela sizela emhlabeni azizange uzointerest abantu bafethu yabona. Kumele nje sizazi ngobani thina siqala. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, bafethu still your boy Bablavel here. I'm with Lisu. Yeah. Sifiso ongitshela sponsor sami uyatholakala ko Facebook, TikTok, into kanje.
Yeah, ngiyatholakala.
Ngobani kami?
Isukile.
TikTok.
Isukile.
Sayona nje le something. Okay, sifiso ongitshela sponsor sami. Oh, if mfethu yabona uyahlala emndenini mfethu la bakuhlukumeza khona. Nginga advise uthini kahle wena? Wena ngokwakho nje
Uthini?
wena ngokwakho.
Mina ngayadvise ukuthi ngayinye situation yabo. Usho kwami straight.
Alright,
Isimo sasendlini.
alright. Manje if someone omaziyo nje bamenza kanjalo ngamthingathini ke.
Ngamfuna ukusiza.
Usizo olunjani? Counseling yabo
Umuntu uzokhuluma yeah, straight counseling.
alright ke ushilo lona usifiso bafethu wathi umuntu mfethu mama mhlukumeza uyomfunela usizo counseling into kanje manje hayi yazini yakusina sami